Welcome everyone. Let's launch Excel. If this is your start screen and the primary use is blank workbook, we would bypass this start screen. Let's add our sample data and auto-fit our columns. Double-click. Before changing any defaults, our current font type is Arial, font size is 11. At the bottom, there are 3 default blank sheets to use. We should add sheets as we go, so new users don't waste time cycling through blank sheets such as Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. On screen, the last fully visible column is July 2019 before needing to scroll right to view more data. A common user habit is to decrease the magnifier from 100% to 70 to view more data. This is harder on the eyes, not the preferred method. Let's have a look at print preview. The magnifier at 70% makes no difference to the printout. August 2018 is the last column for page 1. Changing the magnifier back to 100% and coming back to print preview, the last column is still August 2018. We want to show more data in our printouts as legible as possible. Setting a lower font size default is preferred. Next, a circular error is the result of a formula gone bad. This report would have lost credibility if formula errors occurred. Let's purposely make a circular error in January. Item 20. Let's add item 23. And then in item 23, let's add item 20. No error pop-up notification alert. The only clue of a possible error is calculate at the bottom. It doesn't indicate the cell address of the error. Now it becomes a manual process to check every cell, however large this data set is, until the error is found. We need to see the cell address to quickly solve this error. Next, File, Open, Recent Workbooks. Only one recently opened file is shown. Here we have a full page, but it is not populated. Let's increase this list to fill this blank page. Over here, for quick access, there's only one file that's shown. Now, let's change our defaults. Options, General, Calibri, font size 9, include this many sheets, 1. Uncheck, show the start screen. Formulas, uncheck, enable iterative calculation. This pertains to the circular error. Save. Save auto recover information every 7 minutes is my comfort threshold. Advanced. Scroll down. Show this number of recent workbooks. 13. Quick access. 8. Disable hardware graphics acceleration. Check this for slower PCs or if the text becomes blurry on your screen. Click OK. Now, before we restart Excel, because we have unchecked enable iterative calculations, we now see our cell reference where the circular error occurred. So B24 is item 20. There we go. Let's now delete the reference. And for good measure, item 23, might as well delete this reference. And now we're back to our sample data. Last thing before we restart Excel, cursor has animation. It's the milliseconds of delay after each mouse click. Instant response would be better. There's animation when we insert a column. Insert. And focus the eyes on 2018 and 2019 sales text. I'll do it again. Insert in another column. And there's that animation. Again. There's that animation. I will delete the column. Now let's close down Excel. Turn off animation within Windows Settings. Don't save. Windows Settings, Ease of Access, Display, scroll down to Show Animations in Windows and turn it off. Back and exit. We are straight into blank workbook, no start screen. Font type is now Calibri. Font size is 9. At the bottom, only sheet 1 is available. No sheet 2, no sheet 3, unless we add a new sheet with the plus button. Let's paste the sample data. Auto-fit our columns. Double-click. There's another Standardize this video about layout and formatting. I'll put the link in the description below. With our new default changes, more data now shows on screen where the full year of 2019 is shown at 100%. No need to decrease the magnifier down to 70%. Preview for page 1 now ends with November 2018. Still very legible on paper even though it may appear small on screen. By the way, the original print preview ended at August 2018. Now that our printouts show more data per page, let's increase our magnifier to 120%. Auto-fit our columns. Double-click. Much easier on the eyes, now as though that we've kept the larger font size 11, but our printouts now does show more data with a cleaner look. Moving the cursor around, instant response. Insert a new column, focus the eyes on the text 2018 and 2019 sales. It remains static, no animation. I'll delete the columns. Instant response. And there you have it. Check out other videos in our Standardize this series, share with your colleagues, and thanks for watching.